Hi guys, today we are gonna make Flappy Golf on Scratch Junior. So here, Scratch Junior, press this. Now we're gonna now we'll delete the character and make the character. So our character is the Flappy Golf character, so we make a yellow circle. And now we'll use the black thinnest, use the whatever, and make this shape. Now we'll color it in white. See how it's white? Here's our Flappy Golf character. Now we'll get the background, which is just, you don't need to paint. So the river background. And then here you'll write, in the second biggest, colored in yellow, Flappy Golf. That always makes mistakes because it says Floppy Golf, but we need Flappy Golf. So delete A. There, Flappy Golf. You think you can do the biggest? You can do the biggest if you want to. So now we'll make the play button, which you always know because you have probably watched my videos in my channel, the channel Pac-Man. Triangle, rotate, and move. Play button. There's a play button. Okay. Now, when it's pressed, we'll actually add 3 more backgrounds. Go back to our background. This 2. Okay, make a character. But first, we need to remove this guy. Always have to remember that if you want to make a different character without that other guy. Okay. So, a green square. It doesn't have to be perfect, of course. And a white rectangle down here. Make it 2 times bigger. Now we'll add the star, which is easy to draw, but for some kids hard. So you make a line like this, 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 and this. It doesn't have to look good. It can look silly anyway. Except for a TV show. Well, it can't look like anything but a star. Now we'll write grassy plains. Make it big, because that won't work, so we'll make it second biggest. And make it green, because grassy plains are green. Now we'll add the same background as we added last time, river. And now we'll use our button and use the dark green color, because we don't want this green color to match with the other one. And also make this character a yellow triangle, and we'll rotate it. And when this pressed, Then it will go here. When this pressed, we'll go to background number 3. Okay. Now delete this character and I'll make the arrow keys. So a rectangle like this, not like this. You'll make something like that, but it has to be fat, in the fat way. Now we'll use this color, this light gray color, colored in. Now make a circle. A little rectangle and a triangle. Now we'll rotate the triangle. We'll do this. And here's our arrow key. Now, if it's big like this, make it 4 times smaller. If it's good like this, put it here on the side, like in the Flappy Golf version. Now use this character. Make the same thing, but looking the other way. So we don't have to move the squares. We'll have to move the rest. So I'll move this. This can be here. I'll move this and rotate this. And here's our second one. 4 times smaller if it was that big. And this is good, put it on this side. Now we'll get the Flappy Golf character. Now we'll make the flag character. So a black circle here. Like a rectangle. Now a triangle. Now we'll rotate it. Here's our flag character. If it's small like this, make it 10 times bigger and put it here. If it's big like this, then put it here next to this arrow key here. Okay. So now we'll control the arrow keys. So when this pressed, send a message. On this press, send a message. Red. Now we'll get the Flappy Golf character. When it opens this one, red. We'll have to make a double of them, cause Flappy Golf goes 2 moves at the same time. Goes 3, 3. Okay. Now, jump 3. Jump 3. Okay, let's test it. Okay, now get the background, the same exact background as we used. And now, what we'll do is set bump to this background. Let's test it. Okay. Now we'll add the same background like all the rest of the backgrounds. And we'll add a win word. Okay, yellow and big. Okay. Now we'll use this character, and now we'll make the retry and menu button. So circle, color it in. Now since it's a retry button, we'll do this and a triangle, a mini triangle, mini fat. If you're using the thin button, then color the triangle in. If you're still using the fat button, then you can press the good to go button. Now you put it here if it's sorta as big as the Flappy Golf guy. Now we'll make the menu button. So we get this guy out, use the scissors, and remove the yellow part. Now we'll make the yellow part again, but it's different. Make 3 rectangles and 3 circles. Okay, here's our menu button. Now start on top. So the menu, start on top, go to page 2. And for the retry, start on top, go to page 3. Okay, let's do it. Wow, this is a good game. Now let's test. Now let's do the whole game. Now you can teach others how to make Flappy Golf on Scratch Junior. Yay! We made. Now we'll just go here to this yellow thing, delete all of this, and name it Flappy Golf, which can make mistakes, but sometimes it doesn't. And here's Flappy Golf. So now Flappy Golf's done. And bye. Please subscribe to our channel, cause there's some more videos that can be waiting for you. Bye. And don't forget to smash the like and comment us down below. Now it's the bye.